Tired of chasing down signatures and drowning in paperwork? Let's ditch the snail mail and discover how to get agreements signed online using DocuSign in a snap. First, log into your DocuSign account. Once you're in, hit that new button. It's usually located at the top left. Select Upload and grab the agreement document from your computer that you need your client to sign. Alright, your document is now loaded. Time to add the magic. DocuSign lets you place fields for signatures, initials, dates, whatever you need. Simply drag and drop the signature field from the left-hand panel onto the spot where your client needs to sign. You can adjust the size and placement until it looks perfect. Repeat this process for any other necessary fields like date, signed, initial, or text boxes for them to fill in. Make sure you're assigning these fields to the correct recipient. Click on the Add Recipient button. You can enter your client's name and email address. Double check that all the required fields are in place and assigned to your client. A quick review now saves headaches later. Happy with everything? Great! Click the Send button. This will shoot off an email to your client with a link to securely access and sign the document. DocuSign will notify you when your client has viewed and signed the agreement. Boom! You just streamlined your workflow and got that agreement signed electronically.